In this video, I'm going to show you how to propagate a large peace lily. I did mine. I've got 5 peace lilies. I can either sell them for around £15 each, or I can dot them in different places around my house. So it's quite simple. Follow the steps and you'll have lots of peace lilies. Yeah. So here's my peace lily. I've taken it outside and I've put it on the patio, because it can get a bit messy. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the peace lily from its original pot. Very carefully, because the last thing I want to do is snap any roots. So to separate the peace lily, you look for the clumps of plants coming from the soil. These are called rhizomes, and we're going to be separating these. In order to do that, we're going to have to remove the soil from the plant. So if you tap and shake all the soil from the roots, you'll be able to see clearly where the rhizomes separate. So now the soil has been removed, you can clearly see where the rhizomes separate. So you've got your separate peace lily plants right there. Now, the roots are entwined together, so in order to separate them safely without any breakages, it takes some shaking and pulling. Now, if you just watch this video, you can see the vigorous shaking kind of separates the roots, gets rid of the knots, and you can safely then pull the peace lilies apart and then put them into their own individual pots, working compost in between the roots and giving them a good water. And there you have it, 5 peace lilies. I kept the main plant quite large because I wanted that next to my TV. You can sell them or dot them around the house, whatever you want. I'd recommend to do this because the plants are growing much stronger and healthier now. I've put them in new soil and repotted them. So even if you aren't selling or dotting around your house, just doing this process makes a healthier, stronger plant. So bear that in mind. Please subscribe and ring that bell to get updates on more videos. Thank you.